Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Janitor AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in janitorai.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Janitor AI website. Now from the home page, to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. Now from this page, you will be allowed to log into your account. Simply type in your email address that you used to sign up for Janitor AI and then type in your account password. If you created your account using your Google, your Twitter or your Discord account, you can click on the respective buttons underneath the main login button. After entering your credentials, simply click on the login button and now you will be logged into your account with Janitor AI. You can now start using the Janitor platform to create your characters or chat with others immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.